Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a hand pointing from the pinky side. Check this picture out. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Come on, let me show you how it's done. A dad who draws. I want to draw this shape here. So start with a line just like that. Then come down here, and we're going to make this one somewhat parallel. Just kind of do that on the page there, okay? Do that on the page. And then we're going to just come up like this, and you can make all these parallel, okay? You don't have to worry about making them in perspective. Just go like that. And then this line right here, we're going to again make it parallel, okay? And then we're going to come straight down, just like that. Okay, ready? All right, now we're going to come in here and just keeping this parallel, we're going to come in just like this. We're going to come down just like that. Make sure all of these are all parallel, the same, all right? And then right here, we're going to come back up just a little bit and then straight down. Just like that. And right here at the corner, you're gonna come back just like that. You see that? So all of these lines should be parallel. And then let's just drop in a tone and try and make it as even as possible, just along this front side here. And drop a tone on this guy on the inside there like that. All right. Then down here, divide this up so it's almost like threes, even. And come up just like that. Guess what you just drew? you just drew a fist. There it is right there. Look at that. Boom, you didn't even know you drew that, right? So what I want you to do is, this is a great shape. A great shape to come back and practice after today's class. And if you get this down, that's going to be the very beginnings of your understanding of drawing a fist. Okay? So let's get rid of that, and let's get into our hand drawing here. We'll get rid of that, and so practice that form and just think about it, okay? Get your head around that form. So first we're going to draw a gesture. Remember, arm, palm, fingers, and thumb, okay? So let's do that. So we're going to come down to our arm. So there's my finger there, and I'm going to just quickly gesture. We will adjust this. All right, palm, fingers, arm, all right? Just gesture. Woo! Now that I got your attention, I hope you're loving the video. Do me a big favor, jump down in those comments and tell me how much you love these hand drawings. Okay? All right. Make sure you subscribe. 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 Pointing. Look, I'm pointing with my finger. All right, let's get back to work. Okay, let's draw our palm in now. So now this time we're going to take a look at it. Now watch this now. Our palm is going to be like this. You see that? That's our palm. Now let's get our tips in. There is one tip there, okay? Now the other one's going to be way back there, all right? And then we have the thumb tip right there. I'm going to put this one maybe right about there, I think. This tip I'm going to put right there maybe. And that one's going to go right there. So that's our next part, tips. Okay, knuckles. All right, so our knuckles are going to go right across the top here. So it's going to be like a knuckle there, all right, this one, and then that one back there. And the fourth one is fallen behind. Fourth one's falling behind. Okay, let's get our joints in now. So I'm looking for this, this, and this. And I'm looking for those relationships. And there is the line of our knuckles up there, okay? So with that tip there, right, there's one knuckle. There's another one. And where is this relationship to that? I'm always looking at relationships here. So you could see that the tip of the thumb is going to be right literally underneath, even more to the right of that knuckle. But I do want to be aware of that. Next thing you know is my joints. So these are my joints, all right? And then we have our next set of joints that are going to be below these guys. Look at this. Let me show you that. Our other set. You see that? So let's get those in place too. All right, now we move into detail. So I'm going to start with this first one here, and if you notice it curves around and then comes down there. All right, next one comes around like this and concaves like this, and then this little part is going to be straight down like that. Again, this is concaves here. Straight down like that. Okay, this next line is really important. This pad right there, you see that? And then this pad is coming behind it, and then this pad's coming back. You see that? And then your tip is going to come around like this. So by using this concept of overlap, we're going to get that finger to come forward and the other parts to go behind. So start like this. All right, so there's that. I'm going to do this next one, going back toward the palm, like that. And the palm is going to be a nice long one, just like that. Let's get this pad just like that. Just be very careful of those overlaps. All right, let's get that tip in now. Now look carefully. Here we go. So then up here, I'm going to move up a little bit, and I'm just going to come around. Just like that. All right, let's get the edge of our thumb coming in here. And look at this. This is almost a straight coming down here, and then it curves. Now the pad of my thumb. And by the way, if I go too fast, someone's got to say something. If you're like, Kurt, you're going too fast, you just gotta tell me in the comments to slow down, because as much as my wife Jackie knows that I could read minds, I can't read minds through the internet yet. I can only do it at home. So here, the pad here. I don't want you guys to be at home like, oh my gosh, slow down, Kurt. You may not even sound like that, but all right. So there's that pad underneath. You see that? And after drawing all that fist there, I realized that my fingers, this pointer finger, was not going to be far enough out. So now I can adjust that. All right. So the top of the finger is more straight. Remember our J hook. So there's that. Second pad and third pad. And then I'm going to get that fingernail in. Okay, back of the hand here. Let's come in here just like this. And here, look at this. There's the ulna. Let's not forget that. That's going to be on the pinky side. There's that arm right there. Okay. And then bring back in that nice S curve. Now all that's left is adding a little bit of tone to this, okay? So we're just going to add, when you add tone, it helps things to turn the corner. So we're going to do this. See that? We're going to add some tone along the side here. This should all be the exact same value right now. One tone, one same value. And then the last thing, you want to go in with one darker value, and that's going to be down here in the shaded area. And then the last thing I would just say is, if you want to make this look around, look a little round, you could just darken in the edge there. And even darken, you can even add a little shadow to the knuckle up top there. And there you go. Okay? Listen, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Kurt, but you already know that. This is 20 days for 20 hands. If you are not aware, we have a great Facebook group that's in the description of this video. If you want to sign up for the daily draw, there's a link also in this description. And that's what we got. Please do like the video and comment. Thanks for watching, everyone. A dad who draws. Hey, you made it to the end. Excellent job. Check out this video right here, or check out this one right there. Go out there, make your day great.